Hi, I'm Tom, and in this quick tip I will show you how to quickly explore IFC Schema from the Bonsai BIM interface. So let's say I've got this door in my sample project and I want to fill in preset door common properties. So I go into the edit mode, that's important. And let's say here I don't know what acoustic rating parameter means. I can find out quickly by right-clicking into the field and selecting IFC description. This gives me description immediately in Bonsai BIM interface. So I've got the description of the acoustic rating parameter. And if this is not enough for me, I can click on online IFC documentation. And this opens up a Building Smart web page with the IFC schema information, and here I can see acoustic rating here and get more information or some other links. And what's really nice, that it actually checks the IFC version of my project. So my project is created in IFC 4.0 schema, and the link directs me to the IFC 4.0. If my project was in 2.3, it would link me to the 2.3 documentation. So this is how you can quickly and effectively explore IFC schema from within Bonsai BIM. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.